If you want to edit a photo on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, what you can do is you can go to Photos. Now over here in the Photos app, you should be able to find the library with your photos and videos, so we can open the photo that we wish to edit. And now we can tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now you can start customizing. You might see some tips at first, so of course you can check them out. Over here we have some automatic adjustments that we can use. We have action section where we can crop, use magic eraser, unblur, and so on and so forth. We have markup tools. We have filters as well, so if you want, you can apply a filter. There we go. You can also switch to lighting in order to make some additional adjustments, and even color over here in order to, for example, adjust the saturation or the skin tone and so on and so forth. And over here at the top, we also have some additional tools that are worth checking out. Now, if you want to save the photo, then of course we can tap on Save as Copy over here in order to keep the original photo. And of course, we have the original one and the edited one as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.